Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Today we will show you a detailed step-by-step recipe to make a deliciously soft, spongy and tasty sweet. Easy and simple to make, and it does taste much better than the store-bought ones. So let's get started with this favorite childhood special. Our special recipe for today is marshmallow. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Take 2 tablespoons of gelatin, half cup of sugar powder. Sugar powder can be made at home by grinding sugar in a dry mixer. Quarter cup of corn flour, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 pinch of salt, quarter teaspoon of red food color. You will need a container 6 by 6 inch or an equivalent size. Step 2. Soaking the gelatin. Add the gelatin in a bowl. Then add 120 ml or half a cup of water. Stir and keep it aside for 15 minutes and let the gelatin bloom. Step 3. Preparing the sugar and corn flour mix. Take a fine strainer and add the sugar powder and corn flour in it. Sieve the sugar powder and corn flour. Your sugar and corn flour mix is ready. Step 4. Preparing the container. Apply oil to the container in which you will set the marshmallow. Line the container with butter paper to easily remove the marshmallow after it is set. Also apply oil to the butter paper. The lined container is ready. Step 5. Preparing the sugar syrup. Place an open, heavy bottom pan on medium-low heat and then add the sugar. Add half cup or 120 ml of water. Add a pinch of salt. Keep swirling the pan. Do not use a spatula or spoon, as the syrup will stick to the sides of the pan and crystallize or burn. Let the sugar solution become thick and reduce to almost half. After the sugar syrup becomes thick, do a cold water test to check if it is ready. Performing the cold water test, take a small portion of the syrup and add it in a bowl of ice cold water. Bring it together with your fingers and press to make a ball. Once this happens, the sugar syrup is ready. If you can't form a ball and the sugar syrup dissolves in the cold water, you need to cook the sugar solution for a few more minutes and repeat the cold water test once again until the sugar syrup is ready. Stir the gelatin and dissolve any lumps that may be present in the bowl. Once the sugar syrup is ready, reduce the heat to low. Carefully add the gelatin into the pan with the sugar syrup. Now use a spatula to stir the syrup. Ensure that the gelatin has dissolved completely in the syrup. When the syrup thickens and reaches a string-like consistency, the syrup is ready. Take the pan off the heat. Step 6. Preparing the marshmallow mixture. Transfer the sugar syrup to a bowl while it is still hot and whip it on high speed. Whip the hot mixture until it achieves a white ice cream-like texture. After whipping for around 8 to 10 minutes, the mixture will be creamy, thick and glossy. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whip the mixture for another 2 to 3 minutes.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
The marshmallow mixture is ready. Step 7. Setting the marshmallow. Pour half of the mixture immediately in the lined container. Add the red food color to the remaining mixture in the bowl and mix it well. You can add more or less drops of color to achieve the preferred color intensity you desire. Pour the colored mixture in the lined container.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Smoothen out the mixture and spread it all over. Sprinkle the sugar cornflour mix all over using a strainer. Do not leave any place uncovered. Once it cools down, refrigerate overnight or until it sets firmly. Step 8. Unmolding the marshmallow. This is our marshmallow after it was kept overnight in the refrigerator. Remove the marshmallow and place it on a plate or a clean surface. Carefully remove the butter paper from all the sides. Spread the sugar cornflour mix on a surface and also coat the marshmallow all over. Apply sugar cornflour mix to the knife before cutting each time. This will prevent it from sticking. Cut the marshmallow to your preferred size. Apply sugar cornflour mix to the marshmallows to prevent them from sticking to each other. Trim off the extra portion of the sides to give it a uniform shape.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Apply the sugar cornflour mix to the individual marshmallows to prevent them from sticking to each other. Once done, dust off the excess powder and store the marshmallows in an airtight container and refrigerate. Delicious marshmallows are ready. I'm sure everyone in your family will love and enjoy these beautiful marshmallows. Do write a comment to let us know if you like this recipe, and please don't forget to press the like button.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.